If you're a developer and want to run applications in containers, Docker is a must-have tool. In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker on Windows step by step. Open any browser and search for Docker. Click on the first official search result. On the Docker website, you'll see download options for different operating systems. Download Docker Desktop based on your operating system and CPU architecture. Once the download is complete, run the installer and restart your system. After restarting, open the Docker Desktop application and accept the terms and conditions. Docker sign-in is not required for local use, so I'm skipping the sign-in. Sign-in is only needed when pulling or pushing images to Docker Hub. To verify the installation, open command prompt and run docker version. Docker also installs a default demo image to confirm that Docker is working correctly on your system. That's it. Docker is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 machine. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more developer content, and I'll see you in the next one.